All right, 1.2 part 2. Okay, underline the word show that. So show that T is inversely proportionate to V. So write down, if T is equals to K over V, then K must be equals to T times V. Then you write down T times V is equals to, so this guy is the V, this guy is the T. 100 times 1. Is it the same as 50 times 2? Yes. Is it the same as 3 times 33 1/3? No, it's not plus, it's equal. Okay. Is it the same as 4 times 25? Is it the same as 5 times 20? Are all 5 of them equal? Yes. So they are all equal. So therefore, or rather you must write down, since TV gives the same constant, T and V are inversely proportionate. Okay? And what is the K equals to? The K is equals to, I already say that K is equals to T times the V, right? So K is equals to this guy, which is equals to 100. So therefore, T is equals to 100 over V. Okay? And for C, it's pretty simple. Just put in the V equals to 80. T equals to 100 over 80, which is equals to 1.25. 1.25 hour is 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay? D is a very important one right now. D, first one, because T is inversely proportionate to V, right? How does the inverse proportionate graph look like? Is it a straight line or is it a curve? Straight is direct proportion, so it should be a curve because it's inversely proportionate. Okay, because T is equals to K over V. Okay, but for part 2, okay, draw part 1 first. This is the inverse proportionate graph. For part 2, take note. Question wants you to draw T against 1 over V. So you see that T is equals to K over V, yes? Now, if I take out the 1 over V, it's like that. So in this case, we are doing T equals to K bracket 1 over V. What is the relationship between T and 1 over V? Direct proportion or inverse proportion? Direct. Because the question is asking you to plot T against 1 over V. So you are plotting 1 over V here. Look at my axis. Okay? Imagine 1 over V as like an X. If this guy is a X here, T equals to KX. This one is direct or inverse? Inverse is over. Inverse is over. Inverse is T equals to K over X. This is inverse. So this is direct. Understand? This one is direct. Which means for this guy, right, what is their relationship? Their relationship is direct. Understand how does the graph change when you change your axis? So you see this is T, yeah? All right. So in this case, because they are direct proportion, the line should be straight line going upwards. I repeat again, T is inversely proportionate to V. So when you draw T against V, right, it must be the inverse proportionate graph. But when the question asks you to draw T against 1 over V, so you pull the 1 over V out here. So imagine the 1 over V is like an X. If T is equals to Kx, the relationship is directly proportionate. That's why when you draw the graph, it is a straight line that is going up.